Hello traders, this is Alla on May 18th. On this Monday, May 18th, Intelligent Trader understands markets absolutely dangerous and extremely brutal. On the news, market is rallying. On the chart, day trader dealing with a lot of pain. So, let's take it step by step, shall we? This is institutional chart. This is the chart Intelligent Trader analyzes before the start of the trading day. Institutional rally extremely high. Institutional rally overextended. Institutional rally been stuck at overextended rally for the last 5 weeks. So let me show you where institutional rally had been spectacular. Let me remind you what S&P looked like the previous few months. This is institutional bullish rally in the middle of 2019. Bullish rally in a progress until it reaches alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. So this is proprietary alpha Fibonacci level where price reverses from 80+% of the time. So when market starts collapsing and starts selling off, there is no surprise. Historical sell-off of the months of March, of the months of April until S&P finds critical support at 2200 level. This is ultimate bottom. This is where Intelligent Trader looks to buy from. This is a place Intelligent Trader never shorts into. Browse the news. Take a look on March 23rd, Black Thursday. Oops! On the chart, it's a critical support. It's a spectacular opportunity for intelligent day trader to buy from ultimate bottom. And that's where bullish rally starts from. There is no surprise. All precise. All identified in advance. That's the power of the system. On day trading charts, minutes, hours in advance. On long-term institutional charts, days, weeks, months in advance. When Intelligent Trader prepared to sell the top, to buy the bottom. This morning, institutional rally extremely high. This morning, day trading chart reached alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Prices stuck. Buyers stepped in with vengeance from alpha Fibonacci support. Market not selling off. Market not crushing. Market is frozen. This is brutal. Trending bullish rally with zero sellers is the most brutal market for day trader. Trader who understands the danger of this, not losing money. Trader who shorting randomly is in serious trouble. This is rule-based strategic system. We're extremely high, but there is no sellers. There is none. Market stuck. It's a crawl. It's a pain. This is what intelligent trader starts being successful from. If you do not understand dangerous markets, if you do not understand the danger of overextended bullish rallies, when institutions buying every single pullback, you have a lot to learn. It's a crawl. It's a pain. This was flawless. This was spectacular. Last week was breathtaking. This is pain. On the news, market rolling. On the chart, price is frozen. Who is the news designed by? Did you ever ask yourself that question? Market makers. Google. Historical May 23rd. When intelligent alpha Fibonacci traders were buying the bottom, turning off the noise. This was the bottom on alpha Fibonacci chart. Take a look. Stunning and flawless reminder. Ultimate bottom, 2200 level traders. Post hold, stunning place to buy from. Not too short into. From 2200 level we are at 2945. When price is this high and there is no selling pressure, it's a pain. Trader who chooses to buy ultimate high randomly, paying for his and her broker's vacations, not his own. So if you do not like pain, you demand powerful pullback. If you do not like pain, you are not touching overextended bullish rally. It's black and white, traders. We demand pullback. We know how dangerous this is. Crush and burn S&P pretty please. After all, if you've seen how market crashed from institutional chart, identified months in advance, this is exact same place where we are on hourly, your critical day trading chart. And if I convert this chart to 1, what do you see? Pullback and a play. Let's crash and burn S&P. That's what intelligent trader demands. That's what intelligent trader understands is critical. Without it, nothing is possible at this overextended rally. And it doesn't matter if you trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You decide. This is when intelligent trader will separate pain from stunning crush. This support is critical. Crucial. Next. Software told us so as well. All precise, no speculation here. More powerful the pullback, more interesting market will become. Here we go. Intelligent trader who is well prepared, intelligent trader who has done the homework, intelligent trader who trades with institutions, looking to buy as low as possible. Institution bias is long, long, long. This is critical moment. Intelligent trader knows this. This will determine markets for the rest of the day. If this support is not out, market will become worse, not better. That's what strategic trader knows. And if this pain remains, nothing here to do but run as far as you can. No trigger happy cowboys here, no random shorts, no speculation, no lost money. Conquer your desire to short randomly. No shorts yet, none are present. Intelligent trader knows that. Price is stuck. Price been stuck here for the last hour, traders. Only pain is present. On the news it's a big rally. On the chart it's a pain. There is no short. Only the moment you master brutal markets, you can be successful. Until then, Success is not possible. Price is stuck. Market is brutal. Intelligent trader has zero interest touching this. That's it. That's the danger of overextended rally. Last week was spectacular. End of March was flawless. This is brutal market. So institutions continue adding to their longs. Institutions not shorting the markets. Price is stuck. It's a crawl. It's a pain. So Gina sharing results. Flawless butterfly risk reversal option. XLE SPY QQQ VIX. Spectacular. Incredible work. No day trading, but option trades are present. We're demanding powerful pullback without powerful pullback. There is no day trading here. Everyone seeing this? Price is stuck. Option traders, not a problem. So turn off your gambling switch, turn off your speculation switch, turn off your trigger happy cowboy indicator switch. Recognize what majority does not work. More trades will never make you more money. What will make you money is quality trading. What will make you money is trading with institutions, riding institutional power. This is institutional trend system that show you only if you play by the rules, only if you ride institutional train and conquer your desire to short randomly, you will be successful. So did we know or did we know that this support will determine markets for hours to come? Was it broken? Of course not. Market remains stuck. And if I take you back to 3-minute chart, shock or not, this is brutal market. And this is what spectacular trader does. This is intelligent trading. All the day traders run as far as you can. Nothing here to do. Only pain is present. And it doesn't matter what chart you trade, this support is showing you there is no shorts in this market. Zero present. And if you choose to buy this high, you get only pain. You get only crawl. Institutions can afford to be negative for days, weeks, and months. Institutions trading someone else's money. Intelligent trader buys as low as possible at institutional support. Last week was spectacular. This week is not. That's the dangerous, dangerous crawl. So this was a historical March 20th, March 22nd, March 23rd. This is what students were doing. David, 19 points. S&P Dow, 173. Oil, David also adding oil. Brett, 8.25 points. Marco, 16. That was stunning. S&P at 2,200 traders. Here's the following day. Gold 14, oil 10, Markov 5 points, S&P 10 points, 63. Brad 3.25, gold 33, 6 points, S&P. This is spectacular trading days, traders. There is nothing in common with the day like today, where only pain is present. That's what intelligent trader understands and knows. Flawless days when you pull 22 points on S&P from support, from ultimate bottom. When Marco was reporting in the middle of Italy, 3,000 target in my pocket, as Marco had been approved for one up funded account. And that's flawless trading. World of difference. Buying low versus dealing with painful crawl. Intelligent trader knows this danger. As Carl says, absolutely. Not a trading day, but a study day. As buying high, what is the best case scenario? Only pain. And that's stunning reminder. Turn off the noise, turn off the news, pay attention to price. Last week was spectacular when price was at institutional support. This morning it's not. It's a crawl. It's a pain. Zero shorts are here. So we're setting up for a very dangerous week. Bullish rally overextended. Without powerful pullbacks, markets will be brutal. And what S&P will do next at alpha Fibonacci reversal zone will determine markets for months to come. As again, this is where price sold off from, all identified months in advance. So, this is alpha Fibonacci system on dangerous versus spectacular days. You absolutely must understand in order to be successful what spectacular versus brutal days are. Challenging week ahead. Buckle up. Without powerful pullbacks, markets will be brutal. Only when you know how to trade spectacular versus challenging markets, you can be successful. So if you would like to become strategic trader and understand the difference between spectacular flawless institutional days, as we had the entire last week, versus brutal Monday, I look forward working with you. All you have to do, be serious about trading. All you have to do is decide what option appropriate for you. Option with lifetime license software, group mentoring, or without software for group or private mentoring is available to you with the biggest discount ever. I highly encourage you, please listen to podcasts as traders all over the world who trading smallest size account to institutional size account. Trading system from stocks to forex to futures to option. From small to institutional size account, from beginner to hedge fund trader, to trader who tried for 10, 20 plus years, losing a fortune, until trader comes to Fibonacci Trading Institute and makes an effort. If you would like to see more videos from the trading room, simply click on YouTube section, where you can see thousands of videos. We are over 3,100 subscribers, where you can see the power of the method in live market. Any questions for me, please do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. You will learn how to trade spectacular markets and how to run as far as possible when markets are brutal.